The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. But have you ever wondered how it all started? Let's dive into the fascinating history of the internet and explore its profound impact on our world. The story begins in the late 1960s with ARPANET, a project funded by the U.S. Department of Defense. ARPANET aimed to create a network that could withstand a nuclear attack and connect various research institutions. The first message sent over ARPANET was "Hello," an attempt to type "login" before the system crashed. In the 1970s, Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn developed the TCP/IP protocols, which laid the foundation for the modern internet. Fast forward to 1989, Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web. His creation allowed for the easy sharing of information through web pages and hyperlinks, transforming the internet into a user-friendly platform. The 1990s saw the commercialization of the internet. Companies like AOL, Yahoo, and Amazon emerged, leading to the dot-com boom. In the early 2000s, social media platforms like MySpace, Facebook, and Twitter changed the way we connect and share information, making the internet a central part of our daily lives. Today, the internet impacts nearly every aspect of our lives. It has revolutionized communication, education, and business. We can work remotely, shop online, and connect with people worldwide in seconds. The internet has also democratized information, giving voice to millions who previously had none. As we look to the future, the internet will continue to evolve, bringing new challenges and opportunities. Its history is a testament to human innovation and our desire to connect. What will the next chapter of the internet bring? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content.